Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. The Honorable, the adjudicator of this event, the selections of outstanding students in Faculty of Teacher and Training, University of Lampung 2023. First thing first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Heriyanto and then you can call me Harry. I am from English department and also I am very proud to be here. In these occasions, I would like to talk about SDG. It is the campaign that led by UN or United Nations that followed by like around 169 countries all over the world. So, to be more specific, I would like to talk about the fourth SDG. It is about the quality of educations. The UN itself or United Nations already explained about this. So, these goals of SDGs wants to ensure the inclusive and also the equitable of quality in educations and also to promote lifelong learning and also to share the same opportunities to everyone and then the same opportunities to experience in educations to whenever you are, wherever you are, and how old you are, you deserve to get the educations. This is the point that SDGs in quality of educations want. It is UN want, and it is to make sure that the world will be better in the future. All right. To talk about this, to talk the obstacle that happen in educations, let's bring this to our country, Indonesia, for the example. Actually, I believe that the education's part is the best thing, is the point, is the core thing of SDG. Because I believe the other SDG points have the roots in educations. For the example, I already talked about 12 SDG. It's about the responsible consumptions and also productions. It's about the garbage. It's rooting again in educations. Why? Because that when you have this the enough knowledge, have the skill, have the educations that you need, you will not throw your garbage to the river, not to make rubbish, etc., etc. So because of that, I believe that the education is the foundations of this SDG. And then in Indonesia itself, again, in the pandemic, 2 years ago, we must lock ourselves in our home, right? But the educations must go on. So the people and the government, the teacher, the students must use their handphone, use the Zoom meeting and also the Google meeting, Google Classroom, etc., etc. But unfortunately, not everyone have the phone. Not everyone have the facility like the signal, Wi-Fi, book or something like that. It means that the point that the SDG wants, the education wants to have the same opportunities is not achieved. Because of that, I believe that the government must focus more in educations. In what way? I believe the best way is to make the facility is equal in every place in Indonesia. For example, in Lampung itself, there is so many school that doesn't have any computer, doesn't have any Wi-Fi or something like that. That there is maybe the building room is not proper enough. So first thing first, the government must solve this facility, and then after that, we can move to the human resource itself because the great teacher will make great students. That's right. Because of that, I believe that we must focus on educations. And then, as we know, there is so many problems in Indonesia, but you know what? Education is core, is key to solve all the problem. For example, in SDG itself, I already talked about the 12 SDG, but let's see the first, second, etc., etc., about the equality of gender, and then the peace, technology, environment, no poverty, no hunger, everything can be solved by the educations. By the educate the people itself can have the knowledge, the ability, the skill that they need to provide her life, to provide his life, the best thing that they need. So because of that, I believe that if the educations already solved, educations already the educations are the achieved that ensure that they ensure that inclusive and also the equitable of educations and share the same opportunities to everyone everywhere. Then how old you are, you can have the educations. I believe that all the SDG, the 16 SDG other will be achieved by 2030. So that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.